What was the first thing you did when you woke up this morning? No, before breakfast, or before your first sip of coffee. You took your first deep breath of the day. Now, try to imagine your life without air. It's tough. For a lot of people, though, life without healthy air is just, life. It's normal for people not to notice the quality of the air they breathe. The air that is so full of pollutants like pollen, radon, mold, and viruses. In fact, poor indoor air quality kills more people than any form of violence, including international conflicts. Poor indoor air quality in our homes comes with a very high price. But guess what? Breathing clean and healthy air is simple. You don't need to move to the mountains. Proper ventilation creates a balanced fresh air ecosystem that takes care of your home's health and those around you. It brings out all kinds of positive changes. Fresh air improves the quality of life for you and your family, gives kids more time in school, boosts your productivity, and is essential to good health. Fresh air changes just about everything.